Hello guys, in this video we will see Putty error, that is connection refused from Windows. I have Linux virtual machine in VMware, but when I try to connect by using Putty, I am getting the connection refused error. First verify the IP of this machine, copy this IP, okay, open Putty, then paste that IP, port number 22, click on open. See, I got the connection refused error. The solution is we have to install open ssh server and client, okay. Before that, verify that sudo systemctl status ssh. See, we don't have the ssh service, so install ssh by running this command, that is sudo apt install open ssh -server open ssh -client. Hit enter. It requires this much space. Type Y and hit enter. Okay, we have installed it. Now verify the service status. See, service is active and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now go to the Putty and restart or open new session ifconfig. So copy this one or manually enter. Paste it. Click on open. See, now we are able to connect. So click on accept. Then provide the username. Username is whatever the user that is there on virtual machine. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the IP. See, we got the same IP. So we have successfully connected and we have fixed the solution. Go to the virtual machine. If you stop it, then we will receive the same error. Let me stop. Now try to connect. Duplicate session. See, we got the same connection refused error. So the solution is first we have to install open ssh server and client, then the service must be started. Now start it again, sudo systemctl start ssh. Now go back to Putty, right click, open, duplicate session. See, we haven't received error. We are able to provide the username and password. Okay, so in this video we have seen the solution for Putty connection refused error. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.